today we will be talking about 10 things that you require in your makeup bag. Okay. Nowadays, everybody is, wants to do makeup, and it's very difficult for you to choose the best products that you want because there's a lot of makeup around. I know, I can feel it. And some people are like, I have a lot of makeup, but I need 10 essential things to be kept away that I need. Okay. First of all, we will be talking about the base. To me, you can use anything you want, whether it's a foundation, whether it's a tinted moisturizer, or whether it's a CC cream or a BB cream. Foundation is required if you want a full coverage or if you have a lot of blemishes on your skin, you want to hide those. And a tinted moisturizer is used just for a normal touch of makeup. I generally use a tinted moisturizer for an everyday basis or a BB cream, but when I want to go all glammed up, I go for a foundation. This is the Makeup Forever Ultra HD foundation, and it's my favorite foundation. I love this foundation. Okay, let's go for those black circles or the small blemishes and spots on our face. How do we hide them? So we hide them with the help of a concealer. Or if you have a major dark circle issue, girl, then you could always go for a salmon color select. Salmon color corrector. That cover that you put it underneath your eyes and just apply a little bit of concealer, and over it, it will highlight and as well as cover your dark circles. If you do not have that much of dark circles, like I do not have that much dark circles, just a little bit of concealer and you're done. So now you've applied the main base of your face. Now what to do? We have to set it as well. So we need two products for setting our base. I have the Elizabeth Arden Loose Powder and the Maybelline Fit Me Compact. So what is the role of a compact? A role of a compact is like a pressed powder, and it's in a cake form of a thing, like this. And it's pressed and you just apply it. It's not that, it's a little bit heavy and it's very light. It's a loose powder. You can do baking on your face and it just does the work of setting it. And it's handy, but it's not handy. And you can, but it's like it sets the face all over it sets all over your face, and somewhere you have to reapply it because it can go, but it does the work. I generally use my Maybelline, and if I want to bake, then this. Then it comes my bronzers. My bronzers are my holy grail products. These are the best bronzers. Bronzers give you the sun-kissed look. They are good use as they're used as a blush as well, and you can use them to sculpt your face, or they give you a sun-kissed look that we all want. Even you can use them as an eyeshadow like I've done it today. Okay, bronzers are multitasking products, and they are the best thing that a girl would ever use. Trust me, who all doesn't like that tan look on their face and that glowy face? It does the work to me. I love it. Okay, now we will be talking about the eyebrows, that the new trends in makeup, and to be honest, they are the best features of your face. And you have to get in shape. So eyebrows can lift your face up and they can make you look beautiful. So to fill up those sparse areas, you need two products, that is an eyebrow pomade, or if you want, you can always use an eyeshadow or an eyebrow fillers just to fill them up. And trust me, these are the best things that can fill your eyes. Don't go for those harsh pencils. These harsh pencils are very, very dark on your face. They will not make you look pretty. Trust me. And these are very gentle. Trust me. Look at this. The brow pomade from ABH. I'm sorry, I've used it a little. Then comes the mascaras. The mascaras are my favorite thing in makeup. I have zillions of mascaras. I love mascaras because it not only gives you longer lashes and make them all look feminine. Trust me, I don't have longer lashes, but this product gives me one. And I love longer lashes, and who doesn't want them? So mascaras are something, if you haven't even applied a kajal or those eyeliners, you can always go for it, and trust me, they do the work of everything you want. Then comes eyeliners. They are the best discovery in the world. I love these eyeliners. These eyeliners are love. I use eyeliners every day. I cannot even leave my house without it. Trust me, if I do not apply an eyeliner, I look plain. Like actually plain. This gives a dimension to my face, to my eyes, and make them all look cat eye that I always wanted. You can always go for any kind of eyeliners. You can even use a kajal as an eyeliner, but I generally like to use the gel liner and a liquid liner. Best products. Then comes the lipsticks. Lip products are the favorite thing in this whole world. I have this obsession of collecting different kind of lipsticks and lip glosses, lip liners. So it depends on my mood. If my mood is all glammed up, I'd always go for a red lip or a pink lip. If my mood is like, no, I want to apply makeup, then this is the best color. So I love my lipsticks to the core. And if you do not want anything like not a lot of color on your face, you can always go for these lip glosses or those lip balms. They do the work. Then comes the applicators. I will always give this a thumbs up. A beauty sponge or any kind of beauty blenders. They are the best products that you will always use to apply your makeup. They give you that airbrushed look on your face and you look all glammed up just by this inexpensive product. I cannot do my makeup without these. The best thing that anybody could have ever made. And then go for the brushes. Just one brush is required for your makeup to me, because just one brush for powdering your face or even applying the blush, you can always go for it, or for the bronzer, just one brush. And it's the best applicator to apply makeup. You do not have to buy a lot of brushes to do makeup, because trust me, they will confuse you. Go always for one brush and it can do all the work that you want. So I hope you all liked this video and this video was a little bit informative to you. I am very thankful to you. I love you all.